So many fashion designers are bothered that their business cannot thrive. You can run your business from anywhere and still have a successful business. Welcome, my name is Laura Onibude, the Apostle of Ready-to-Wear Fashion Business, and I'm here to tell you the good news about how to run a successful ready-to-wear business, even if you are sewing at home. A lot of fashion designers see this as a limitation. In our forums, our groups, our discussion, a lot of times people will say, I am sewing from home, I don't have customers. And I tell them it's not a problem if you have the right approach. Rather, it's an advantage, because if you are running your business from home, what it means is you don't have to worry about spending money on rent. And you can invest the money you would have spent on rent to do so many other things for your business. And you don't have to spend money on transportation. You don't have to have commute time. You are not spending hours commuting between your home and your shop. And these are great advantages. You can start your day early. You can start your day at your prescribed time and end your day at the time you prescribe for yourself, without the limitation of movement. These are wonderful things that you can use to work for your business. Sewing at home or sewing from home should never be a limitation to a fashion business owner. And some of the things you can do to improve the chances of success for yourself if you are running your business from home. One of the things people struggle with is getting customers. If you are sewing from home and your challenge is not having customers, I'm here to tell you how you can ensure that you have a steady stream of customers even if your shop is in your house. The first thing you need to do is start with your family and friends. Build your customer base from your family and friends. I know a lot of people say, I don't want to do business with family and friends because they will not pay, they will not take you seriously. But I believe it's the way you approach your business that will make them take you seriously or not. So the first thing is, treat your business as a real business, not a hobby. Treat your business like a business that it is. Because if you are taking it to be a hobby, people will not take you seriously. Be business-like and be professional. When you are business-like and professional, ensure that you deal with people on that level. If your family or friend brings fabrics for you to make, charge them adequately. Be professional in your consultation process. And at the end of the day, deliver on time. Deliver on time. Don't delay delivery because it's for your friend or your family. I think that's one of the mistakes that fashion designers do. They don't take the jobs as seriously because it's coming from a family member or a friend. Be professional. Be business-like. Take the job seriously. Deliver on your scheduled agreement and make sure you give them a good job. The second point is ensure that you sew well. Your finishing and your fitting, make sure you sew well. Keep improving on what you do. Don't stop at a level that is not satisfactory. Because look at it, is it fair to expect that they patronize you just because you are their family or their friends, and if your job standard is below expectation? Think about where they were doing their business before you came into the picture. Make sure you're able to keep up with the standard that is, satisfactory for them. Don't force them to come down below their level because they want to patronize you. Instead, give them a reason to rise up in their standards. And the only way for you to do that is if you are delivering jobs that are good, jobs that are satisfactory to their standard. So make sure your jobs are done well, you finish well, and you give them a job that is satisfactory for their standard. Next, ensure that you ask for referrals and for testimonials. When you make clothes and they're happy, ask them to give you testimonials, which you can post on your social media platform, you can post on your status, you can post on your page or your profile. And when you do that, make sure that at the end of the day, ask them for referrals. Let them tell more people about you. One way is when they wear the clothes and people admire them, plead with them to tell people that you are the one who made those clothes for them. Yes, they might they might overlook that, but if you emphasize it, sometimes there's something known as a call to action. A call to action is when you tell people what to do. Don't expect that they will, generally know what to do or, naturally know what to do. Tell them, be specific, tell them what to do. Tell them if somebody likes what you're wearing, please remember to tell them who made it for you. So that way they can help you promote your business. The next point is make yourself a showpiece for your brand. Always make the most beautiful, the most gorgeous clothes for yourself. Wear your clothes. I find it very difficult to understand when fashion designers don't wear what they make. How can you be a female fashion designer and you're wearing jeans and t-shirt everywhere you go, and then you expect people to come and give you their gorgeous clothes, their fabrics and dresses to make? No, dear friends, it doesn't work that way. You need to show them the stuff you are made of. You need to get them to have confidence in your ability to deliver. And one way to ensure that they know that you can deliver on the job is by how you dress. Make clothes for yourself. Make sure you are always the best on the best dressed lists. Make sure you're always on the best dressed list. If you're going for an event, make the most gorgeous clothes for yourself. Dress well to the market, dress well to church, to functions, to school, everywhere you are going. Make sure you are standing out, looking gorgeous with what you are making. That is one way to build credibility. In fact, that's the easiest way to promote your business, because people generally ask, "Oh, I love what you're wearing. Who made it?" And you can gladly and proudly say to them, "I am the designer. I made my clothes." And that way, it will be easy for them to patronize you. And next point, enlist them as brand ambassadors. Go into a business collaboration. Maybe you have that sister or that cousin who always loves to look good, and she has the figure to display your good work. You can go into an understanding, a collaboration, and say, "Okay, I'll do I'll sew for you at a discount, so that you can tell people, give them something to be willing to do something for you for. Let them not just do everything for free. I'll give you 20% discount, 30% discount. So please use that to promote my business." And it can be a win-win for you and your customer. Use social media, dear friends. Always use social media. If you are working from home, nothing stops you from using social media to your benefit. I will link my video where I talked about how to use social media to promote your business to this video. Make sure you are using social media. Create the right social media presence, create the right social media voice, and use that to promote your business. You don't need a shop to make your money in today's world. All you need is wisdom and strategy to use what is available to you. And one of the major things that is available to you as a fashion business owner is social media. Use the various platforms. Use WhatsApp, use your status on WhatsApp, use Facebook, use Instagram, every possible place that you can use to promote your business. Make sure you understand how those places work and make sure you use them. Do promotions. Part with your money and pay Facebook, pay Instagram to do adverts. Don't always expect everything to be free. Make some beautiful clothes, take some beautiful pictures, and promote those pictures. Pay for promotions. When you pay, your pictures, your post will go further than when you don't pay. Organic is good, but it will not have as much effect as when you pay. Be willing to part with some money to promote your business. And I assure you that over time, you will gain the kind of customers that you are looking for, because over time people will take notice of you. Be creative about how you go about your business. Take it seriously. Don't do your business haphazardly. Have a structured business, even if you are sewing from home. Have your resumption time. Have your closing time. Have your workspace marked out. Don't just jump and do your work and allow distractions to keep you from achieving your goals. Have your targets, your daily target. Decide on what you want to achieve every day. You wake up and you start working, and make sure you meet your target as much as possible. Be very deliberate about how you do your business, even if you are working from home. Working from home, remember, is not a disadvantage as long as you use it to your own advantage. And ultimately, like I always say, don't give up. It may be tough at the beginning. You may struggle for a while, but as long as you don't give up, over time, things will pick up and things begin to look up, and you begin to enjoy this business. Working from home can be an advantage. It saves you a lot of cost. It saves you time on transit. It saves you a lot of inconvenience too, if you make the most use of it. So, dear friends, turn every limitation into a possible advantage by changing how you look at things and how you approach things. So till I come your way next time, I am Laura Onibode, the Ready to Wear Boss, and I want to encourage you to sign up for the ABC of Ready to Wear Masterclass, especially if you desire to run a ready-to-wear business that is profitable and a ready-to-wear business that will help you to live the life of your dreams, even if you are sewing from home. I will put the link to the training video, the training package in the description of this video. Sign up and you'll be glad you did. So thanks for watching, and bye for now.